Okay, let's take another look here at this crater. Find it on Google Earth, Google Moon. Let's zoom in here, take a closer look at the new amazing find. Apparently, they have bobcats on the moon. The backhoes, the construction vehicles, that is. That's the only thing I can think of that being. That doesn't look natural. It's definitely man-made. Let's see if it's... Looks like it's got a scoop, 2 wheels, a door, a top. This could even be a statue or a person. Seems out of place for some reason. Just, I don't know. It's almost the same size of something that could get in here. Let me know what you think. I have no idea. Here's the coordinates. It's the only one I have found. And it definitely is compelling. Thank you for watching.